Vietnamese street food is heaven, but don't let a spicy surprise or an allergy ruin your trip. Today, I'll give you 4 essential survival phrases to eat like a pro. Let's dig in. Most street food comes with chili by default. If you can't handle the heat, just say, Không Khai. Repeat it, Không Khai. It's your best friend in Vietnam. Got allergies or hate cilantro? Use Không plus the ingredient. Không Rau Thơm for no herbs, or Không Do Phong for no peanuts. Stay safe and enjoy your meal. Love that dipping sauce? Want more chili? Just say, Cho Toi Tem. For example, Cho Toi Tem Nước Mom. Give me more fish sauce. To show your love to the cook, say, Ngon Qua. They will love it. And when you're done, call out, Tinh, tiền to get your bill. Now you're a Vietnamese street food expert. What's your favorite dish? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more survival tips. Ciao, Ban.